So yes guys, once again good evening, and there is a surprise before I start my conversation. There is a fan who watches Ramesh's videos and he would like to say something, so just 2 lines. So yeah, I'll just call that fan of, come, the biggest fan.
Ramesh Mama Zindabad.
Say loudly.
Ramesh Mama Zindabad.
Okay.
Coronavirus freedom fighter.
Okay. All right. Now, this was my grandson who said that, and he watches Ramesh's videos and he's a real great fan of Ramesh. So he said, I also want to say something. And yeah, what he meant as freedom fighter was that yes, Ramesh is, trying to make Goa corona free. So that's what he meant to say. He's working towards the betterment of the people there. All right, so now I have some topics that I would like to share. But first, let me appreciate the people who have done a great job by contributing and also, sending messages from different parts of India, appreciating Ramesh's work. One is Mr. I think he's Bhavish Yadav from Haryana. Thank you so much, Mr. Bhavish, for appreciating Ramesh. And also I would like to thank the doctors, the nurses, the policemen, and all the others who have come forward and contributed towards this war, corona war. Now, to mention a few things is that every time I come up with 3 topics, so here also, today also, I'm going to come up with 3 topics. One is there is a sister and a brother who's facing problems, and Ramesh and Digvijit, they both went and saw the situation of those siblings. So yeah, they're trying to do a great job. I heard that the Mamledar also had come there. So everybody is contributing, bringing food stuff, and also, trying to help them to build their house and all, which is a very good thing. Maybe, the awareness is starting to get on now, and that's a very good thing. The second thing is that there is a lady who has tumor. Ramesh has posted a video. And yes, I would like to say that, even if you can contribute whatever you all can, 100, 200, 300, 400, whatever you all can contribute, please do contribute, because this will help in, getting her operated and saving her life. So I think, it will be a very good deed. We will be satisfied that we have contributed to somebody and today she's alive. There's another boy, I don't know from where he is, but he has got something to do with his throat. He also needs help. So yes, please contribute, people, whatever you all can. Okay. And yeah, nobody comes live to appreciate. So I thought, that I would come live and appreciate for the good things that we are doing. We can all contribute in some way or the other. Ramesh is going to the hospitals and helping people personally. He's not thought that I will get corona and why should I do it and all. He's going because that keeps him happy. Happiness is something that you need to share. If you share it in any form, you can share. If you share the happiness, it comes back right to you. If you help someone today, somebody else will come and help you. It's not that only for money or only for anything. Anyway, any problem, anything, God comes and helps you in some form or the other. So people, I'm just trying to say that, be a little more concerned towards somebody else's problem. It's just not that you watch and then you say, okay, fine. What you say, now the curtains have rolled down, so let's go have dinner and go to sleep. No, it's not like that. Okay. So I would like to say that, whatever you all can, please contribute towards a good cause. The second thing is, my first video was released on Awake Goa. Okay. And I received a lot of positive comments, and I'm so happy, and I'm saying thank you to all of you who have given me such positive comments. But there were 3 outstanding people, okay, 3 outstanding people who said Why don't you give Ramesh, thank you for the appreciation, ma'am. Don't only appreciate, also give something to Ramesh for his petrol. My God, do you know whether I've contributed or no? That you are pointing one finger at me. See, 3 fingers are pointing at you. 1 finger is pointing at me, but 3 fingers are pointing at you. I called Ramesh and I asked, has this gentleman contributed that he is talking about me to contribute? And Ramesh said no. So next time before you opening your mouth, please find out, do your homework and then come and comment. Don't comment just unnecessarily. Another lady, she's telling me that you have taken only their names. How much have you been paid? My dear friend, you don't need to be paid for a good deed. Understood now? You only, whatever comes in your heart, you need to share. I was happy, I shared it. Nobody can buy anybody. Understood? Everybody is priceless in their own way. So before commenting, please see what you are commenting. And Mary's little lamb, I think her friend. Yes, Valar Tuka. And the other woman replies, I know. That fellow who said Valar Tuka doesn't even know whether a man or a woman. He's saying, good bro, he's telling me. He's addressing me as bro. Are you blind? You have not seen my videos? Or you have not gone to school to know what is masculine and what is feminine? Boss, please go to the school and ask for a refund. You don't know who you're talking to. Whether you're talking to a male or a female. A woman or a man. What I said, no, I say all statements that, really make some logic, some sense. So guys, whilst commenting, please think and comment. Ukal jeep tayak like karu nakan. Understood now? And whoever wants to contribute can contribute any amount. Just don't say, oh no, I cannot afford, I cannot give anything. You are giving. It's not shameful. 100 rupees, 200 rupees, you're giving. You're not asking, you're not taking. So don't be shameful. Nobody is going to give your name out. Everything is going to be confidential. I am also not a rich person, but I have loosened my purse strings for a good cause. So please loosen your purse strings for a good cause. We all come with 2 pots, one good pot and one bad pot. But the bad pot fills more than the good pot. When we go up above in heaven, God is not going to ask you how many cars you had down, how many bungalows you had down, or God is not going to ask you how much of money you have in your bank or gold you have in your bank. God will ask you what you have brought, your karma. So, please do good karma. I know everybody is not the same. And please do not fight with one another. Please come out, cooperate with one another. Like in Hindi they say, Ban mutti sawa lakhi, khul gayi to khaki. So please, all of you all come together and help in any way that you all can. Somebody can help in cooking food. Somebody can help in helping with the medicines to the hospital, and somebody else can help in contributing money. The people, Goans are, I'm also a Goan, so I know the Goan mentality. Not everybody, few people. They will say, "Maka kidak padla, maka padang na, to marta dala maru." That is not the thing. We all have come in this world to help one another. All the religions teach us to help one another, to love one another. So please, I am not here to be famous, or I am not here to get applause, or I am not here to get comments or anything like that. I am just trying to create awareness that people wake up. It's time to wake up. It's like time to work for your fellow people. Please help one another. If somebody parks a car out of your garden, at once you'll say, "Anga konan gaadi ubi kela?" It's not that. त्यांना छाती फुलून राहता. आता तरी छाती फुलून राहा ना. आता हेल्प करा. आता दाखय. I think all the women should come out. Show girl power. Then the men will come out. Only there are a few handfuls that are, really considerate towards their fellow people. People from UK, people from other countries are sending money. Why can't we, contribute little? 100 rupees, 200 rupees, 300 rupees, contribute. Boon boon se sagar banta hai. Here, I used to see on the TV when Mumbai was in floods and Mumbai was in the corona state, the dabba walas didn't have food to eat. FM used to announce every day, even 10 rupees, even 1 rupee will help them. And that 1 rupee and that 10 rupees turned into crores to help people. So we also can do it, no? Seva Goa. Why do we need others to appreciate us? Why can't we appreciate our Goans? So please people, हाथ जोड़ून मागता, please love one another, help one another, and Goa will become a better place. That's all I have to say for today. And please share your comments, please share this video with others, and please loosen your purse strings and give whatever you can. Don't shame that माझ्याकडे 100 हांव कशें दिवं, हांव कशें कोणाक उलो मारूं. Nothing like that. Just call Ramesh up, say माझ्याकडे 100 रुपया हांव दिवंक सोदता, माझ्याकडे 200 रुपया हांव दिवंक सोदता. He will share the information, and yes, you all can just put whatever you all can do. Alright? Thank you so much for watching, and God bless all of you all. I'll come with more videos as and when required.